Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about array implementation of QADT. In this we have given in the class in the name Q class we have given def init is equal to self comma s, self q is equal to list, self max size is equal to s, self dot q is equal to none into self dot max size, self dot front is equal to -1, self dot rear is equal to -1. To insert a value in it, we are giving self dot insert is equal to self comma data. If self dot rear is equal to self dot max size is equal to -1, if this condition is true, it will print the queue is full. If or else, it will come to this case. If if self dot front is equal to -1, self dot front is equal to -0, self dot rear is equal to plus is equal to 1, self dot q into self dot rear is equal to data. It will store the data in it. To delete a list, to delete a value, we are using if self dot front is equal to -1 or self dot front is equal to self dot max size, the queue is full. Else it will delete a value by using this. The delete the item self dot q is equal to self dot front, self dot q is equal to self dot front is equal to none, self dot front is equal to plus is equal to plus is equal to 1. To display the elements inside the class, we are using def display is equal to def display size self. If self dot rear is equal to -1 or self dot front is equal to self dot max size, print the queue is empty. Else I is equal to self dot front, while I is less than or equal to self dot rear, print self dot q I is equal to I plus 1. To peek a value in the list, we are using this peek function in it. If self dot rear is equal to -1 or self dot front is equal to max size, it will if this condition is true, it will print the queue is empty, or else it will print self dot q is self dot front. Print output. It will print the output. For that I have given an object class here. Object. To enter the max size by the user, I have given the input here. To get the input, I have used here size of the queue. I just given here. While print is equal to, I'm just giving print is equal to 1. 1 is 2 of I just when we give 1, it will go insert. When we give 2, it will go for delete. When we give 3, it will go for display. When we go for give 4 here, it will peak it. When we give 5, it will exit the full program. So that we are giving here. For that we are giving a condition over here. If the choice is 1, I said right, if the choice is 1, we are entering a value here, and object dot insert, just inserting a value. Else if we give 2, it will delete a value. If we give 3, it will display a value. If it will display the value which is which are the remaining in that list. If we give 4, it will peek the value. If we give 5, it will exit the entire code, entire program. Else if we give some other number which is not relevant over here, if we give example, if we give 6 or 6 here, it will give wrong input. So that we are given here max size of the queue. Max size I'm just giving for 3. Insert, I'm just inserting a value. Enter the data is 20. Inserting again. Wait, once again. I just made a mistake over here. Q is equal to 3. Enter the value. I'm just giving the value as 1. Enter the data is 33. Just inserting again. The data is 50. Inserting again. Because I have given the queue size as 3, so I'm just inserting the values over here. Inserting again 20. Now I'm just displaying whatever the elements present here, displaying the list. 30, 30, 33, 50, 20 is the element present here. Just deleting a value, delete operation, delete the item 33. Just deleted the first item 33 and just displaying the remaining element in the list, displaying the list. Just given 50 and 20. After deleting 33, just shows 50 and 20. Now let's pick a value 50. 50 is peaked. Now we can display the element which are present here 50 and 20 because the peak value doesn't delete an element. It just shows, it just displays the first element. Now we can delete another element by giving to delete. Deleted is the deleted the item 50. Now we can give exit. Now we can give display function. You can give use the display function which are the present here. We can use only 20 is present because I just deleted item 50 over here because 20, two items only present here. I just deleted this. Now the remaining element 20 is displayed over here. Now just exit. That's all. After giving 5, the entire program has been exited. Thank you guys.